We are from Paracelis Mountain Province, Philippines.
Thank you for all your overwhelming support that we received from our past videos.
Thank you viewers and subscribers for liking and sharing our channel. We appreciate it so much. Please continue to watch our next videos.
Today guys, we're going to make some natural soap that is nourishing and gentle to our skin. It is an unscented oat, milk, and honey soap.
That's right guys. This natural soap has a lot of good benefits. Oats, for instance, relieves skin irritation and itching, great in treating acne and dark circles, lightens skin tones, and imparts calming effects. While milk is rich in lactic acid, which helps naturally improve the skin to become soft, luxurious, and fresh.
Honey is also known for its antibacterial properties. Raw honey helps kill bacteria, acne, and the will help skin heal faster. We will not adding any essential oil or fragrance oil for this batch of soap, so that it will be safe for baby's sensitive skin.
Let's go guys and put on our goggles for safety.
We already have our gloves and long sleeve. So without further ado, let's make some soap. Here are our ingredients. The lye solution was already prepared by Mom. Our oil mixture composed of olive oil, coconut oil, canola oil, and palm oil.
And of course, our ground oats, buttermilk dissolved in warm distilled water and cooled down, then our raw and wild honey. We have lots of it here in the mountains.
As usual, we have titanium dioxide, a good substance for sunscreen, kaolin clay known for its properties to reduce oily skin and wrinkles.
We just need to pour our lye solution into our oil mixture. Followed by our kaolin clay, and let us pour our titanium dioxide. And blend it all together using our stick blender from Ilo of shopping until it passes emulsion to light traces.
Next is to pour our oats. And our buttermilk. And followed by our honey. Then we have to stir it until it's fully incorporated. Let us pour the butter into our molder. So satisfying! So creamy! We have to tap it to make sure that there is no air bubbles inside to avoid air pockets.
Then the fun part is to make some texture on the surface. Then let us cover it with a piece of cardboard and wait for 24 hours.
go directly into the fridge because the sugar and the milk and the honey will accelerate the temperature during saponification process.
We're back! And we're so excited to see the results of our creation yesterday.
Look at that! It's so wonderful!
And still smells so good even if it's unscented.
So now we are going to unmold it and cut it into soap bars. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's unscented oat milk and honey soap.
Since the current is interrupted, we have to continue the soap cutting outside the house before the rain pours. Wow, perfect!
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please comment down below. We will try our best to comment back to you. Please make sure to click the like button, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for our next video.
Let us encourage you with a verse from the scripture found in the book of 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 7. It says, "The end of all things is at hand. Therefore, be self-controlled and sober-minded for the sake of your prayers."
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay healthy. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.